Song number 23, Shortnin Bread. This piece will be our group solo piece for this holiday season. If we take a look at this piece, it incorporates all of the notes that we learned so far in class. It has an open A string, which is here. It has an F sharp, which is first finger or index finger on the E string. This is E string. And you put your first finger right here on the first tape closest to the scroll. Right here is F sharp. Going back to E, open E, F sharp, and then open A string right here. So these are the notes that you need to know in order to play this piece. So let's start. Make sure that the quarter note gets one beat. Use the entire length of the bow, whether if it's a down bow or up bow, and then the half notes get 2 beats. Make sure you save your bow. 1, 2, or 3, 4. 2 beats, please. I'm gonna put on my metronome. This is 1 beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you can feel the pulse before we begin. So we are going to be in ready position with the violin and bow close to our knees. And then playing position. Make sure your thumb is along the side of the neck. You have a hole underneath your thumb. Your bow is ready. Your violin is held securely underneath your neck. And I'm going to put my bow on the A string at the frog. I'm looking ahead and making sure my first finger F sharp is ready on the E string. Here we go after 4 counts, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up bow, A, F sharp, open E, F sharp, up bow, down, up, down, hold for 2 beats, open E, 2 beats, rest, rest. So make sure when you practice this piece that, again, you are drawing the entire full length of the bow from the frog to the tip and from the tip to the frog. Have fun playing Shortnin Bread.